Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a Happy Mail package that I received. Nothing better than getting a surprise package in the mail. So I've signed up for by the U.S. Postal Service for emails every day to show me what's coming in the mail. So I know if I have an important check or something I got to go get for our business. Otherwise, if it's junk mail, I may not go out to the mailbox for a couple of days. So I wasn't expecting this one, so I had gone to the mailbox thinking that I just had some junk mail from a couple of days, and surprise, surprise, I had a package. Well, I opened it up, and it was this box, and it was wrapped in this really cute brown paper with all these images on it. This is so adorable, so I'm going to keep this for a junk journal because what's inside here, and this was from one of my followers on YouTube and Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations, Tommy Lee, sent me this, and I got permission to do a Happy Mail video, so I'm going to share that with you, what's inside. Now, I did open and peek, but I didn't go through everything. So she sent me this note card, which is really sweet of her. Thank you, Tommy Lee, for this Happy Mail. So anyway, inside here, let's take a look what we got. So it's all wrapped up in this lacy doily thing, and it's all junk journal type stuff. So let me turn this around, and this is what's for dinner, friends, good for one car wash, and all kinds of little bits and pieces that I can use in junk journal if I want to. Like the whole envelope could actually go in a junk journal like that, where you use the flap. But she made this paper clip with this little cluster here, so cute. And then inside here, let's take a peek what we got inside. We've got an envelope here. Oh, look at that, kitties. I love cats, so precious. She says that I think she said her and her sister, let's see, making junk journals. Yep, her sister, that herself and her sister go to thrift store junkies, that they like to do that and find stuff that if I ever need anything specific to let them know. So I love that with the cats. So that's going to go in one that's special. So that fits in that envelope there. And then this, look at this one with the kitty. So sweet. Oh, and another one on the back. So this must have been out of somebody's scrapbook. Isn't that awesome? These old vintage things. So I'm going to tuck that back in there for right now and lay that aside. And it's just, everything's just so wonderfully done. Look at the spool looking cardboard made out of some music note here. We've got this. So this is all lace. I'm not going to undo that. That's beautiful lace with the pin and some charms. Everything's packaged up so wonderful. So we have lace here with a pin and some of this eyelash thread in the blue. I love that. We got a cat charm. She knows from my videos that I have cats. A heart and this beautiful lace. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Oh, looky. Isn't that precious? That is a pin that, like the old, that it goes on through a lapel. And it's got a bunch of lace in here. Perfect junk journal stuff. Look at this old one. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, and then this one has a cluster made here. Oh, this is separate. Oh, another cat charm. Well, this is going to be for a junk journal that's definitely for myself, not for someone else. Got a little tag there. It says believe. All these little paper things. Some great ideas. This is like a little bitty book here in its own self. Got little pockets. That one says dance. Got the lace. How cute. And then this one here has a heart. Got the little flower engraved on it. And that's like a little tissue holder thing. I don't know if she made that or found that. That's cute. And then this one What a great idea. She took a brad, just a plain brad, you know, a pretty blue one, and then put it through these doilies to hold those together. So you could just take them off and use each doily or include the whole thing in a junk journal. What a great idea. That's just fabulous. And oh, look here. We got a little bag of buttons with a couple of little lacy flowers cut out. And oh, those are cute. It says grow, the flowers here with the rhinestones, and it looks like, you know, yeah, these are tags and they come out. Could use them as for journaling or bookmarks. Isn't that pretty? These are great, Tomalee. Thank you so much. If your sister helped you, tell her thank you as well. And we have a bow. And then this one's cute. Look at this. It's a kitty cat paper clip. And we've got all the little, says hi and everything all stuck together here. If that opens up. Oh yeah, it's got stuff in there. Look at there. Oh, wow. It's like opening packages over and over. Be yourself. Look, Peter Rabbit button collection, but they are cats. Oh, let me make sure I'm in frame here. I'm on my phone, so I hope I hadn't messed up. Those are adorable, and she used a heart brad to hold those onto the paper, and that paper matches the bow. Let me see if I can put these back together, because I love how she put them all together. Make sure, paper clip, my cat paper clip. Isn't that cute? Cute, cute, cute. I'm so excited. Here's another one. The cat paper clip. Got a little paper doll here. It says springtime. I got a tag. Don't quit your daydream. Beautiful lace on the back. So that's like a tag envelope she made. That's great. And then what we have here, we have relax. And this opens up. Oh, and there's an envelope. Oh, and all kinds of like little die cut things, like flowers and the scrolly stems. Little flowers, little doily looking flowers. Have fun, have fun. And this is folded up out, it looks like a coloring page. So you can just fold this. Make sure everybody goes in, fold it back up. And the cat paper clip holds it together. What a wonderful, happy mail. I'm sorry it's taken me a couple of days. I did receive it. I think I finally ended up getting the package on Saturday. So I think it came last Thursday, maybe. But it's taken me a while to get this video done. I've had a lot of work and appointments, and my brother's in the hospital. So it has taken me a bit to do the video. But look at this one. Isn't this cute? I love that butterfly. And we've got tags in here, lines for journaling. So this pocket is made of a book page, and the corners are rounded. So see how you can just, you know, create with things that you have and add pretty stuff. A little bit of fabric makes the bows. All kinds of pretties with that. And then this last one here, it's got tags in here that I can decorate myself if I want to. Got several tags. Celebrate. I love the different colored buttons. So she's put the thread on them. This lace. And this is a page 2. So beautiful. I love, love, love it all. And like I said, packaged up so neatly. So much fun. I know I'm not putting it all back the same way. But I love this. So this is going into my junk journal stash to use when I need something unique and different, because this definitely is. This is all wonderful. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, Tomalee, and your sister. She helped you find some of this stuff or work on it. This is a wonderful, wonderful happy mail, a wonderful package to go out to the mailbox expecting to find nothing but junk. junk mail, you know, advertising, and then find this wonderful package from an online friend and follower, and I appreciate it so very much. You are so generous and wonderful. This has been a great thing to go through, and I wanted to share with everyone. So thanks again, Tama Lee. Appreciate you so much, and off to crafting I go. Thanks, everybody. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because I do free tutorials for country craft creations, and I'd love to have you join me. If this is your first time, be sure to subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.